In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore contacts from iCloud on your iPhone. If you've ever accidentally lost your contacts or noticed that some of them have mysteriously disappeared, don't worry. We'll walk through a simple process to bring your contacts back using iCloud. So, grab your iPhone and let's get started. First, we begin by turning iCloud contacts off and then back on. This might seem counterintuitive, but often this little trick can resolve syncing issues and help restore your missing contacts. Head over to your Settings app, which you'll recognize by its grey gear icon typically found on your home screen. Once inside Settings, you'll want to tap on your name at the top of the menu. This takes you to your Apple ID settings, where you can manage all things iCloud related. With that done, locate the iCloud option in the list and tap on it. Now that you're in iCloud settings, you'll see a list of apps using iCloud. Find the Contacts option, which will have a toggle switch next to it. You'll want to toggle this switch to the off position. When you do this, a prompt will appear asking what you'd like to do with the previously synced contacts on your iPhone. Choose the option that says Keep on my iPhone. This ensures that any contacts currently stored locally on your device are preserved. Next, we're going to toggle the contact switch back on. This simple action can initiate a resync with iCloud, potentially resolving any issues where contacts haven't been loading correctly. Once you toggle contacts back on, you'll be prompted again, but this time the option you'll see allows you to merge your existing contacts with those stored in iCloud. Tap on merge and voila! iCloud will begin syncing, and any contacts that weren't showing up before should now reappear as the sync process completes. Please be aware that depending on the size of your contact list and the speed of your internet connection, it may take a few moments to a few minutes for everything to fully sync. It's as simple as that. Your iCloud and iPhone will now work together to ensure all of your precious contacts are up to date and available whenever you need them. If you're finding this process hasn't resolved your issue, there may be other settings or network issues at play, but this method is a great first step in troubleshooting missing contacts. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching, and happy connecting.